Do you feel like you spend more time scrolling through Netflix than actually considering the appliances in your kitchen? While many people pick a stove on a whim and regret it for the next decade, did you know that this single choice shapes everything from your cooking speed to how much time you spend scrubbing grime at midnight? In this video, we'll guide you through the world of cooktops to ensure you choose the perfect match for your culinary lifestyle. Welcome to Kitchen to Entertain, where effortless entertaining begins. Here, it's all about great food, fun, and flawless hosting. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment to let us know if you want more content like this. Today, we're exploring the essential guide to choosing a stove. Your stove is the heart of the kitchen, and understanding the nuances between gas, electric, and induction is the first step towards stress-free hosting. Let's get started. First things first, the classic gas stove. When you walk into a professional kitchen, you'll likely find a gas stove because of the primal connection to an open flame. Gas offers immediate heat and visual feedback, allowing you to control the sear on a steak or the char on a pepper with a simple twist of a knob. It is the undisputed king of high heat techniques like stir-frying and flambeing, delivering power without the need for a long warm-up period. Second, considering the drawbacks of gas. While the performance is top tier, gas stoves do come with some baggage regarding maintenance and safety. The grates and drip caps are notorious grease magnets, and a 2022 Stanford study highlighted concerns about indoor air quality due to nitrogen dioxide emissions. If you choose gas, remember that your range hood isn't just a decoration. It's a vital tool for keeping your kitchen air clean while you cook. Third, the humble electric coil stove. If reliability and budget are your main priorities, the electric coil stove is a completely underrated hero. These stoves aren't designed for mood boards or smart home connectivity. They are built to be near indestructible workhorses. They use exposed metal coils to transfer heat, making them a staple in rental properties because they are easy to fix and incredibly affordable to maintain. Fourth, managing heat on electric coils. Cooking on coils requires a bit of a learning curve since the heat is more zone-based than precise. Because the metal stays hot long after the dial is turned off, you'll need to physically move your pots to a cold burner to stop a delicate sauce from breaking. However, the ultimate advantage is the repair cost. If a burner fails, a $15 replacement coil is usually all you need to get back to cooking. Fifth, the aesthetic appeal of radiant smooth tops. For those who want a kitchen that feels like a modern showroom, electric smooth top or radiant stoves are the go-to choice. These ceramic glass surfaces are sleek and seamless, doubling as extra counter space when they aren't in use. The heating elements sit quietly beneath the glass, providing a more even heat than coils, while remaining much more affordable than high-end induction models. Sixth, the hidden fragility of glass tops. While a smooth top is a dream to wipe clean, that gorgeous glass surface is more fragile than most people realize. You have to be careful not to drop heavy cast iron or use abrasive cleaners that could permanently scratch the finish. Like traditional electric stoves, these also retain heat for a long time, so you'll need to stay mindful of residual warmth even after the off light disappears. Seventh, the arrival of induction technology. Induction stoves are truly the future of the kitchen, using electromagnetic fields to heat your cookware directly rather than the stovetop itself. This results in boiling speeds that are nearly twice as fast as gas and a surface that remains cool to the touch, making it one of the safest options for busy households. With nearly 90% energy efficiency, it's a choice that is as good for your electricity bill as it is for your cooking precision. Eighth, checking your cookware for induction. The main hurdle with induction is that it requires magnetic cookware to function properly. While cast iron and most stainless steel work perfectly, you might find that your favorite copper or aluminum pans won't register on the burner. A simple trick is to hold a magnet to the bottom of your pans. If it sticks, you're ready to enjoy the most efficient cooking experience available today. Ninth, the dual fuel compromise. If you refuse to compromise on quality, A dual-fuel range offers the best of both worlds by combining gas burners with an electric oven. This setup is a baker's dream because electric heat is drier and more consistent than gas, ensuring that your soufflés and roasts come out perfectly every time. Just keep in mind that these units carry a premium price tag and require both a gas line and a high voltage outlet. 10th, the versatility of portable stoves. Don't overlook the power of portable stoves, which are the unsung heroes of flexible entertaining. Whether you need extra burner space for Thanksgiving or want to try induction before committing to a full range, a high-quality portable unit can outperform many built-in models. From butane camp stoves for emergencies to precision induction plates, these tools ensure you're never limited by your kitchen's footprint. Finally, picking the stove that fits your real life. At the end of the day, the best stove is the one that fits how you actually cook on a Tuesday night. Gas is for the hands-on artist, induction is for the efficiency seeker, and radiant electric is for the person who prioritizes easy cleanup. Choose the appliance that supports your daily routine, rather than an idealized version of it, and you'll enjoy your kitchen for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more hosting tips and kitchen inspiration. This is Kitchen to Entertain. Thanks for watching.